Traditional medicine is not just a legacy of the past, it is a living, evolving component of many health systems around the globe. In an era where health systems are striving for resilience, inclusiveness, and people-centered approaches, the wisdom found in traditional knowledge offers both relevance and promise. Our theme of today is restoring balance, scaling up access to evidence-based traditional medicine for health and well-being. The aim is to reflect on the potential and policy priorities of traditional medicine in achieving more inclusive, resilient, and integrated health systems. This panel brings together an exceptional group of leaders representing government, academia, civil society, youth, science, practitioner, and industry, each bringing a unique voice to this global dialogue. I look forward to listening, learning, and moderating this important dialogue. To ensure a thoughtful and engaging exchange, we'll have two concise rounds of questions to the panelists, with each esteemed participant kindly requested to share their perspective within 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will open the dialogue to the audience for their questions and curiosities. Thank you.